Hello everyone, my name is Charles Denverian Torres, and I will be presenting to you my major task in programming. First off, we go to my word problem, and my word problem is that in the second semester, Mina will be having their lesson about energy on physics, with subtopics of kinetic energy, potential energy, and mechanical energy, and she's looking for a tool to help her in solving problems. Create a program that will help Mina in the second semester of her subject physics. Now my algorithm. K stands for kinetic energy, PE for potential energy, ME for mechanical energy. My algorithm goes to start program, then choose between four choices. If first choice chosen, enter values needed. Same with if second choice is chosen, if third choice is chosen, if fourth choice is chosen. For first choice, it will output the result for Ki or kinetic energy. And after outputting the result, it will ask the user if he or she wants to enter again. If no, go to step 19, else go back to step 3 where the user will enter again the values needed. For second choice, output the result for PE or potential energy. Then the same as if users want to enter again. If no, go to step 14, else go back to step 4. For third choice, outputs the result of KE, PE, and ME. Then the same as if users want to enter again. If no, go to step 19, else go back to step 5. For fourth choice, outputs the result for KE1, PE1, and KE2, PE2, and shows the difference between the two. And then it will also ask if users want to enter again. If no, go to step 19, else go back to step 5. And step 19 is where if users do not want to enter again, it will ask the user if she or he wants to execute another action. If yes, program goes back to the choice where the user will get the chance again to choose another option. And if user chooses no, it will end the program. And that's my algorithm. This is my flowchart. We'll start, then input number of action to do. If number is greater than 4, if yes, it will go back here. Input number of action to do. If not, if user entered 1, then it will go here. It will execute this code of block. Input values, the process, the formula, key equals mv to power of 2 or mass velocity, then output kinetic energy. Then try again. If yes, it will go back here. Input values. If no, it will go here. Choose number to execute again. If user entered 2, then this code of block will be executed. Input values, the formula for potential energy, mass times gravity times height. Then it will output potential energy. Then the same. Try again. If yes, go back here. If no, it will go here. If in user inputted 3, then execute this code of block. Input values, then the formula for kinetic energy, potential energy, then the mechanical energy, where kinetic energy and potential energy are added. Then it will output potential energy, kinetic energy, and mechanical energy. Then try again. If yes, it goes back here and put values. If no, it goes here. Choose number to execute again. Then if user inputted 4, then execute this code of block. Input values for key E, key 1. Key E, same formula. Then output key 1. Then for PE, same formula. Then output P1. Then it will this is a formula for to differentiate the two total KP KE plus PE, then total KE P1, then KE1 plus P1. Then it will output the total of the two. Then the process again to find the difference. Then it will output the difference between KE PE1 and KE PE2. Then ask if try again. If yes, it goes back here. input values for key 1. If no, it will go here, choose number to execute again. If user chooses yes, then it will go back here, input number of action to do or to the choices. If no, it will output thank you, then it will stop the program. That is for my flowchart. And now I'll be discussing to you my code. My code includes iStream, CMAT for the exponent, Windows.h for this statement to work, and I use double for maybe the user wants to enter real values or large values. In choice, character L equals 1997 for the loading screen, and then I will explain to you the function of this character T that I declared. So I use do while loops, and for loops. So this is the first do while I use. Choose number to execute, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then while choice is greater than 4, it will count invalid. Then it will load screen. Then I use a system function, clear screen. It will clear screen after this block code of block is executed. Then it will return main or here. Then if not, it will also have if uh, if user inputted either 1, 2, or 3 and 4, it will also have a loading screen. This will code of block will be executed. So case 1, uh, again I character top for the do while. So kinetic energy under values, mass velocity, the formula, and this is the function for that CMAT header library. Then kinetic energy is count key E. Then program will ask user to enter again. If yes, it will go top. It will go back to character top. And if no, it will break. Then it will go down here. Choose number to execute again. If yes, then sin t. Now sin t while t is equals to y or capital Y, then it will go back up here. That is why I declared character t here, so that it will just loop if user entered y, and if no, it will count thank you. So the same process will work if user inputted 2, then same, just do while also for loop. Then if no, it will break. If yes, it will go back up here. Same with the case 3, car top 2, do while the formula. Then program as users to enter again. If yes, go back to top 2. If no, break, then go down. And in the case 4, it's also the same. Character top 3, do do while loop the formula. Then the double, I use double. Then difference, then as users enter again. If yes, go back to top, and if no, break, then it goes here. So this is the result of my code. So this is what the program. So if I entered 5, it will count invalid, and the loading screen will appear. So I'm gonna try to choose all of the choices, then input random numbers. So first is the kinetic energy, then system clear, then mass 12, then 5. Kinetic energy is 150. If I enter Y or even capital Y, it will go back, it will clear screen. Then again, if I choose no or N, it will clear screen, then choose number to execute again. If yes, it will go back to choose a number to execute. Then I will now choose the second choice. Potential energy values, Gravity, for gravity, it's for the earth gravity, so I'm gonna input 9.8. Then height 21. Potential energy is if yes, same, no, then yes. Now the mechanical energy uh, values for PE, then velocity, then gravity, height, is equal to 150 there. And it's also reason for the double is that it will show the real values, the decimal points. If yes, 9.8. If no, then yes. Then the fourth choice, then for the potential energy 9.8, and day 4 9.8 1 cut. Then it will show the total keep EPE in my flowchart and my algorithm. Then it will show also the difference between the two. Enter again. Yes. Clear screen again. We're gonna input random numbers. 8, 9.8, 1. And if no, so if I choose here n or input n, then it will count thank you and it will end the program. And that's all for me and the program I created for the mechanical energy. Thank you all.